For this video, we have created a new custom post type called freelancers using the pods plugin, as we'll simulate having a platform for freelancers to offer their services, which displays the freelancers information using the custom fields we have created. Normally, when creating a new freelancer profile or editing an existing profile, we have to open the editor and apply the changes manually, which becomes difficult if we have hundreds of freelancer profiles to edit. That's why, today, we'll show you how to do advanced searches and bulk edit pods using WP Sheet Editor, which creates a spreadsheet for each type of custom post you create with pods. Moreover, you can display and edit all the custom fields created with pods for your custom post types in the spreadsheet. We'll also need to install the extension WP Sheet Editor Pods. This extension allows you to have full compatibility between both plugins. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find the link to our written guide. To view and edit the custom post types in a spreadsheet, we first need to generate the spreadsheet for our freelancers post type. To do this, we go to the Setup Spreadsheet section in WP Sheet Editor. Then we select the freelancers post type. To continue, we must save the selection. Now we need to choose which columns will be displayed in the spreadsheet and which will not. When we're done choosing, we'll save the changes to generate the spreadsheet. After setting up the spreadsheet, we'll see all the freelancers in the spreadsheet as rows and their fields as columns. The search tool allows you to filter all your custom post types using various search parameters. In this case, we'll show you how to search for all freelancers named John. To do this, just hover your mouse cursor over the search tool. This will bring up the quick search field, and you'll have to enter the keyword John. Then press enter on the keyboard. And all the freelancers with that name in their titles will be filtered. If you want to search for all the freelancers who have certain skill, start by opening the search tool. After that, tick the Enable Advanced Filters checkbox. Select the skill field you're looking for. In this case will be copywriting. Use the equal operator. And select yes. Then run the search to display all the freelancers with copywriting skills in the spreadsheet. If you want to search for all freelancers by age, start by opening the search tool. For this example, we'll look for all freelancers whose age is 30 years. Once you open the search tool, check the Enable Advanced Filters checkbox. Look for the age field. We'll use the equal operator. Enter the desired age here. And run the search. Now we can see all the freelancers with the selected age in the spreadsheet. If you collaborate with a team of freelancers who share the same website, you can search for them quickly using their website as a search parameter. For this, open the search tool. Once the tool is open, activate the advanced filters. Enter the website field here. Leave the equal operator. Enter the desired website. Then run the search. Now all the freelancers with the selected website will be displayed in the spreadsheet. You can also search for all freelancers by email company. For example, all freelancers whose email account is Gmail. To do this, open the search tool. Check here to activate the advanced filters. Select the email field. The operator will be contains. Now enter the email company here. And run the search. In addition to advanced searches, WP Sheet Editor allows you to bulk edit any field of your custom post types, so you can apply bulk changes and update hundreds of custom posts in just a few minutes. First, let's see how to enable a specific skill for all profiles. To do this, we need to open the bulk edit tool. Now let's select the rows to be edited. Then we'll select the skill field we want to edit. In this case will be copywriting. We'll choose to set the value. Now select Yes. And execute. If you need to bulk edit the availability for all freelancer profiles, it is super easy with the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, let's select the rows we want to update. Select the available field. The edit type will be set value. Now select Yes for available or No for unavailable. And execute. Now let's learn how to bulk replace a specific website from all the freelancer profiles. First, open the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select the rows you want to update. Select the website field. Choose Replace. Enter the website you want to delete here. And the new website here. Finally, execute. If there is important information you want to add to the freelancer profiles, you can quickly add it with the bulk edit tool. In this case, we'll add a sentence to the content of all profiles. So we'll select the rows we want to update. We'll edit the content field. Select Append to add the new information to the end of the freelancer profile's content. We'll enter the information we want to add here. And execute. WP Sheet Editor simplifies your life completely by bringing all the benefits of spreadsheets to WordPress, helping you save thousands of hours of work because you don't have to use the complex WP editor, but can edit any item from the spreadsheet. The best part is that no matter what type of custom post you create or what types of fields you add, you can quickly edit hundreds of items with just a few clicks. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.